Hello, peoples. Ugh. Not gonna lie, I'm pretty delirious right now. I'm tired. I was fine rest of the day at work. Managed to get through it. Second half, I was just on autopilot. Just I was there. That's an accomplishment, right? Yeah, it's a good accomplishment. Oh, but this is fate. Fate itself is conspiring against me. Or for me. Either or. But anyways, I'm gonna do a food review. Not this. Well, I'll eat this as well. I do like this. Ooh, I'll show you. What the fuck? So, on my way home, I saw this, and it's, yeah, fate and all that stuff. Decaffeinated something. Bedtime. Yeah, that sounds about right now. Bedtime. Yorkshire tea. Decaf bedtime brew with vanilla and nutmeg. Now, normally, this would be anathema to me. Anathema, that's a big boy word. I'm very proud of myself. Anyway, no caffeine. Normally, that would make no sense. None at all. It's just, what's the point? It's hot water. But I want to sleep. So I'm going to try it. Decaf. Ugh. I already feel like I'm going to pass out. So I'm expecting this to hit me like a truck. And normally I'm not a tea person. But for today, just today, I'm going to embrace my Britishness. My Brittanyese. My Brittonite genes. I want to be British. British. I can't do a British accent because I just have my normal accent. I'm terrible with accents. I got no clue what my own sounds like. Yeah. I don't even remember ever making tea before. What do you do? What? Why does it assume that I know what I'm doing? Ugh. Oh, here we go. 100 degrees Celsius. Yes, that's what boiling water is. Put in a cup. And 4 to 5 minutes? Okay, I'll try it. Sure. Yeah. Ooh, Christmas. Still so early. It's nowhere near Christmas. Ugh. Oh no. No, smells like something. Yeah, why is my caffeine? Doesn't it smell like caffeine? Of course it doesn't. It's not caffeine. You fool. Put both in? Huh? I assume. Okay. They do split in half. Right. And put it in. Oh. And after 3 tries, I think I finally got it. I know how to have a donut now. Maybe. It's at room temperature. That's the time then you're meant to have it. Not meant to put it in the microwave. You're not meant to have it straight from the fridge. Room temperature. Hard-earned knowledge. I think. I don't really know. I assume I'm right. I'm hoping the sugar high from the donut and the anti-caffeine, the decaffeine, I'm hoping the decaffeinated, the anti-caffeine will confuse my body into an unconsciousness. The sugar high and the anti-caffeine will confuse me. Wow, it already has. I think it's gone stale. I shouldn't have put it in the fridge. Oh well. Ooh, that's what I'll do. I'm gonna wait the 5 more minutes. I'm gonna wait the 5 more minutes, and then I'll dunk it in this thing. I meant to mix it. Come on, work. I need me rest for gym day tomorrow. You mix it? I feel like you're meant to mix it. Why was I never taught how to make tea? Ooh, heat's warming me. Time. Oh, I should have looked at the time when I started. Just guesstimate it. Have yourself a merry little Christmas. Do 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 do. Wow, I actually can't remember the rest of the lyrics. Huh. This feels like a betrayal of all of my coffee time. All of my coffees. My decaf. I'm just going to assume it's been 5 minutes. I don't have the patience to wait any longer. I'll try it with the tea bag in first. Mix, 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 mix. Ah. Tea. My taste buds are made for coffee. Ah. I suppose it's nice. Like that. I just used to coffee stronger. Okay. Just gonna dip it in. Ooh, perfect dipping time, perfect dipping time, perfect dipping time. Come on. Ooh. I did it. Okay. It's redeemed itself. Oh, that's delicious. I know I shouldn't. Probably wrong, but I gotta have my syrups. That's just nicer. Ah, coffee soul. It knows me. Oh, that's good. Hey, well, I'll let you know how this works later. If I go to sleep, if I sleep well, I'm gonna suppose it does its job. It's alright, I guess. I'm really not a tea person, am I? I want my coffee. I refuse to have decaffeinated coffee. That's just wrong. It's just no. I'll let you know how it works. It's sitting nice in my belly. I do think that having a warm drink before bed does sound nice, actually. Ugh, the only warm drinks I know are caffeine. This is strange, but nice. And I am sleepy. But I was already sleepy. So who knows? I'll turn off the light now. And I'll try and get to sleep. Bye. You know what? Wait. You know what? I think it worked. We got a whole 7.5. No, wait. 7 plus 2. 9.5 hours of sleep. Holy shit. 9 hours of sleep. That's gotta be a record. Whoa. Yeah. Then again, I was already tired. It's not conclusive. I'll have to try again. Ooh, I might be going for tea. Tea. No caffeine. God, I gotta get over that hang up. It's gonna end up being another thing I'm gonna have to spend money on. For the non-caffeine. No, what did I call it yesterday? Caffeine? No, non-caffeine. I do caffeine. I don't want to spend any more money on things. Like tea. Ugh. Don't know. Sleep should be more important, right? Yeah. It shouldn't be a question. But I'm a bit of a masochist at heart. So, anyway. I gotta get ready for the day. I got gym today. I got excited about it. Quite much. Probably too much. It's fun progressing in actual things. Yeah, progress is fun. Anyway, I'm gonna try my best. And we'll see what happens. My pupils. Okay. No.